Yeah, and just for the record, so people can see exactly what I look like after I've made a crop circle, this is how Matthew comes out in his histamine reactions. This is known as hay fever, and you can see sort of nice banding round here, a nice banding round here, a nice puffy skin. This is what it takes to make crop circles, or so it appears. So there you go, folks. That's why I stopped making crop circles. Because my eyes used to stream and get so itchy that I couldn't see until I came out, and I used to come up in red blotches all over my skin, and I just felt like death. And I'd have to go and have a bath or a shower and clean my skin and take out more antihistamines. And generally, if you're a circle maker making crop circles and you've got hay fever, it's not a good thing.